Aloha, I'm Cayabyab, and here are today's top Hawaii headlines from the editors at the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Hawaii health officials today reported 15 new coronavirus-related deaths and 581 new infections. The latest figures brings Hawaii's virus death toll to 694, and the total number of infections since the start of the pandemic to 74,437. So far in the month of September, Hawaii officials have reported 105 coronavirus-related deaths, which is 15% of the state's total COVID death toll. Today's new infection count includes 369 cases on Oahu, 89 on Hawaii Island, 69 on Maui, 39 on Kauai, 1 on Molokai, and 14 Hawaii residents diagnosed outside the state. Despite the rising death toll, there have been some positive signs for Hawaii in the last week. Both active infections and hospitalizations have been falling, and more now than 66% of the state is now fully vaccinated. The National Weather Service has issued a red flag brush fire warning for the leeward sides of all Hawaiian Islands through 6 p.m. today. Forecasters said the elevated risk of wildfires is due to gusty winds combined with dry fuels and low humidity levels. The Weather Service said any fires that develop will spread rapidly and be difficult to control. Hawaii is seeing trade winds from 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour and humidity levels of only 35 to 45%. The Hawaii Department of Health will receive $4.5 million in federal funding to help nursing homes deal with COVID-19 and other infectious disease. Senator Brian Schatz said the funding comes from the American Rescue Plan and includes nearly $2 million to staff, train, and deploy strike teams to assist nursing homes and other long-term care facilities with COVID outbreaks. The remaining money will help the health department fight infectious diseases, including more support for healthcare facilities with rapid response and containment, and training for frontline healthcare workers. Schatz said the new funding gives Hawaii more resources to increase staffing when there are outbreaks in nursing homes. He said the money will help protect patients and healthcare workers and save lives. The City and County of Honolulu and the Honolulu Fire Department on Sunday will begin weekly COVID-19 testing at Waianae District Park. The west side of Oahu has been hit hard by the Delta variant and also has some of the lowest vaccination rates on the island. The new testing site will be open every Sunday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. through October 31st. The Waianae District Park site will be drive-through testing and open to the public. Appointments are not required. The site will be giving PCR tests with results available in 2 to 3 days. Finally, the Central Middle School community is celebrating after the State Board of Education on Thursday approved a request to rename the historic campus after the Hawaiian princess who once owned the property. Principal Joseph Pasentino said changing the name to Ke'elikolani Middle School in honor of Princess Ruth Ke'elikolani celebrates the rich Hawaiian history of the downtown Honolulu school. A 1927 newspaper article said a previous attempt to name the school after the princess was dropped after it was decided her name was too difficult to pronounce. Pasentino told the Board of Education that plans are underway to paint a large campus mural honoring Ke'elikolani to be finished in time to celebrate her birthday on February 9th. The princess's home once stood on the grounds of the current campus. When she died in 1883, her property was bequeathed to Princess Bernice Pauahi Bishop. After Pauahi's death in 1885, the property was purchased by government officials to be used as a site of a public school. For more on these stories and all the latest headlines, subscribe to the Honolulu Star-Advertiser. Visit Hawaii's top source for breaking news online at Star-Advertiser.com and download the Star-Advertiser mobile app. Mahalo, have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday. Are you ready to score big? Make sure to check out the Honolulu Star-Advertiser's Football Fever every Wednesday through Friday for your official ballot to play and enter for a chance to win $500 weekly or the chance to win the grand prize, a big green egg Kamado grill. Match or beat the score and you qualify to win. Don't forget to drop off your entry at select Long's Drugs locations. Good luck!